Hello everyone, this is Darshini and I help people create a happy, successful and a fulfilled life by aligning with the laws of nature. And in this video, we are going to be talking about why the 3 commonly used self-development techniques don't normally work and how you can make it work. Let's get started. Number 1. Affirmations. Now, why affirmations generally don't work? That's because people try to manipulate their mind to make it believe something to achieve their desired results. But the problem with this approach is that your mind knows that you're trying to manipulate it, and that which you're trying to make it believe is not true. You yourself don't believe what you're affirming is true. So, just by merely repeating a couple of words 1,000 times, your mind won't believe it. So, how do you make affirmations work? For affirmations to work, your mind should believe what you're saying is true. How do you do that? Your mind won't believe anything without evidence. So, to make it believe, give it some evidence to support what you're affirming. If you already have evidence, great, please use them. But if you don't have any evidence to back up what you're affirming, then create an evidence first, then start affirming. And please remember this one thing. Affirmations are not used to create something which is not currently in your life. Affirmations can only intensify and give you more of what you already have in your life. That's why it's important to create an evidence that backs up what you're affirming. Number 2. Subliminals. So, what are subliminals? Subliminals are recordings that are supposed to take a certain set of information to your subconscious mind in order to achieve your desired results. So, why subliminals don't generally work? That's because people normally listen to subliminals created by others. When it's created by others, it tends to be really general. So, the information won't reach your subconscious mind. So, this cannot make a difference in your life. So, how to make subliminals work? For subliminals to work, you need to create one for yourself that is tailored specifically for you, your life and your desires, so that it's highly relatable and makes a difference in your life. Number 3. Working too hard. Hard work itself means that it's something not effortless to you. If you're working on something that you're absolutely interested in, even if you work long hours, you won't feel like hard work. Only when you do something to achieve a particular result and not the love for the process, then everything you do to achieve that particular result will feel like hard work. And this is where you will push yourself to get the results you want, doing the things that you're not interested in. And this is what is the cause of stress. If you work long hours stressfully, it will affect the balanced forces. So, it would take longer than necessary to reach your goals. However, when you work long hours effortlessly, the balanced forces won't get affected. So, the results will be reached much faster. So, the key here is effortless action. In my experience, effortless action is possible only when you're absolutely interested in the process and not only in the results. Whenever I try to work just to get a particular result, the process will feel too difficult and I just wouldn't be able to do it. But when I like the process, even when I don't see results immediately, it's absolutely smooth to be completely involved in the process. In summary, number 1, for affirmations to work, your mind should believe what you're saying is true. To make it believe, give it some evidence. If you don't already have one, create it, then start affirming. Number 2, for subliminals to work, create one that is tailored specifically for your life. And number 3, work effortlessly. Don't work stressfully. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I genuinely hope that this video was helpful. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video so far, and subscribe to this channel if you choose to improve the quality of your life and achieve your goals smoothly. And share this video with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from it. And see you in the next video.